What's up guys, it's Lee here from egtvnews.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can roll back your Android TV device to remove the ads or the annoying ads you can find on the latest Android TV OS updates. Now in this video I'm going to be using the Mecool KM6, which has a lot of Disney ads and stuff, but it's really simple. There are other methods, but for now I'm going to show you the quickest way by rolling back the system update, which should remove the apps. If you do want to stay on the latest version of the Android TV OS and you want to know other methods, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get a tutorial up for you. Right, now these are the ads I'm talking about. At the top they're Legally Blonde, Monsters at Work, 101 Dalmatians. I can assure you that none of these three interest me in any way. So let's roll back the operating system, and we know we're on the latest version because we have the Discover tab right here. Anyway, we're going to go on over to the settings button here, and then we're going to click on apps. We're going to go down to see all apps. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then we're going to click Show System Apps. Now on here, we are going to scroll down to Android TV Home right there. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to uninstall updates. Click on that, click OK. And there we go. Now there is one more thing we need to do. We need to stop the auto updates so it doesn't happen again. And as you can see, we're now back to the original Android TV loadout and there's no apps. Nice and clean. Even though I do like the look of the new Android TV Home update, them ads are just annoying. And there is another way you can block them, but it just leaves a blank space. So anyway, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can also change the launcher to make it look completely different. Now let's stop the auto updates. Now we're going to head on over to the Google Play Store to do this. So go over to your apps and open the Play Store. Right, now when we're on the Google Play Store, we are going to go up and click our profile picture at the top right. As you can see, there's a handsome young man on mine. And then we're going to head on down to settings and across to auto update. So click on the auto update apps option at the top here, and then we're going to click don't auto update apps. Make sure you click OK so the box highlights, and then you can go back, press the home button, and that is it. You now have no ads on your Android TV box, on your Nvidia Shield, on your Mecool devices. And we're back to the look that we're used to. And that's it, super easy. It's a case of rolling back the update. It just looks cleaner and it's what we're used to. Hopefully this video did help you. If it did, it would be great if you could help me and subscribe to my new channel. Check out egtvnews.com for more Android tips and tutorials like this. And no doubt, I'll see you in the next one.